Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating WhatsApp and confirming you have a recent backup, because undoing changes is safer with a copy. Once done, open your phone settings and find app permissions. Revoke location and background location first so WhatsApp can no longer report your movements. Make sure contacts and storage remain only if needed for functionality. Immediately disable background data for the app to reduce passive tracking, and then return to WhatsApp to continue tightening privacy controls. Inside WhatsApp, go to Privacy Settings and change Last Seen, Profile Photo, and About to limit who sees your metadata. This reduces tracking via social signals. Turn off Read Receipts to prevent others from inferring your activity patterns. Also restrict status visibility to trusted contacts only. Next, enable two-step verification to secure account takeover attempts, and open linked devices to log out any sessions you don't recognize. These steps stop cross-device observation and raise the bar for anyone trying to monitor you. Finish by auditing third-party apps with access to WhatsApp data. Revoke permissions or uninstall anything suspicious, because external apps often leak tracking info. Turn on disappearing messages for sensitive chats, and if you suspect prior exposure, delete and recreate backups after clearing old ones. Make sure web/desktop sessions are logged out. If things go wrong, try resetting app permissions or reinstalling WhatsApp to purge unauthorized hooks. As a last resort, change your phone number and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.